EMF E and internal resistance R is connected across a resistance capital R. Resistance R can be adjusted to any greater value than or equal to that of 0. A graph is plotted of the current passing through the resistance and the potential difference V across it. Select the correct alternative. Let us say that there is a EMF or the EMF of the battery over here is equal to E, and the internal resistance over here is equal to small r. Internal resistance is equal to small r. To this resistance there is an external resistance R connected. This is equal to I. Okay, that is the current flowing through the circuit. Now V is equal to IR and E is equal to I capital R plus small r. Okay, E is equal to I capital R plus small r. Okay, over here E is equal to I capital R plus small r. So we have to find out various things. Okay, now the graph is plotted. For the voltage versus current. Okay, the graph is plotted for the voltage versus the current graph. Okay, of the voltage versus the current graph for the external resistance R. Okay, so now when the slope of this graph, the slope of this graph will be equal to the the slope of this graph will be equal to, over here I can say that it is equal to, now the slope of the graph you can clearly see as the voltage goes on decreasing, the current goes on, as the voltage goes on decreasing, the current goes on increasing over here. Okay, the current goes on increasing over here. Okay, so the many things are explained over here, so we have to find out the various things in this part. Okay, now basically let me first substitute when the current over here is equal to 0. Okay, when the current over here is equal to 0, voltage developed, when the current over here is equal to 0, voltage developed will be equal to, the voltage developed will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, so when the current is 0, voltage developed will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, voltage developed will be equal to the 10 volt. Okay, so basically I can say that this voltage developed across this, okay, the voltage developed across this will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, and the voltage across it, now the current over here is equal to 0, current over here is 0, so I can say that the EMF of the battery, will be equal to, so the EMF of the battery will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, so the EMF of the battery over here will be equal to 10 volt. Okay, so EMF of the battery is given as 20 volt. Okay, so B is cancelled out in this case. Okay, B is cancelled out in this case. Okay, so we have to find out the internal resistance of the battery and everything. Okay, internal resistance of the battery and everything. Now EMF is 10 volt, which is established. Okay, so when the when the voltage is 0, okay, the current in the battery is equal to 2 ampere. Okay, when the voltage is 0, the current in the battery over here is equal to 2 ampere. Now the same part E can be written as V plus I into small r. When the voltage is 0, now EMF is already established, which is equal to 10, current in the battery is equal to 2, so the internal resistance will be equal to 10 divided by 2, which is equal to 5 ampere, 5 ohm, which is equal to option number A. So the option number A is correct. Okay, the maximum current which can be taken from the battery is equal to 4 ampere. Okay, so the maximum current that can be taken from the battery is equal to 4 ampere. Let us see. Okay, let us see this part. Okay, you can clearly see from the graph. Okay, the voltage can be 0, but it cannot be negative, so the maximum current that can be drawn is equal to 2 ampere. So option number C is also incorrect. Okay, the VI graph can never be a straight line as shown in the figure. The VI graph can be a straight line over here. Okay, B versus the I graph can be a straight line over here. Okay, provided that, now how will I get the V versus I graph over here? Okay, how will I get the V versus I graph over here? Okay, in order to do that, what we do is we substitute the value of capital R. Okay, E is equal to I or E by I will be equal to capital R plus small r. So capital R will be equal to E by I minus small r. Okay, so let me substitute the values in terms of V. V will be equal to I into R can be written as E by I minus R. Okay, E by I minus R, which is equal to V is equal to E minus IR. Okay, now since we can see this is the equation of a straight line. Okay, for constant EMF and constant internal resistance, V versus I graph will be a straight line. Okay, so it can be a straight line. Okay, so option number D is also incorrect. So the only correct option is option number A.